All right, I got another little unboxing here. Up on the stage is all the stuff I unboxed yesterday. I got the gold grams, the thing from Vegas, the British coin, the Haley bug, the coal from Titanic, silver quarter, Morgan, 8 more silver quarters, bunch of grams, and let's not forget the 200,000 Zimbabwe dollars. All right, next up, Farmer Stacker. That's a guy on Whatnot. Farmer Stacker. All right, I'm going to open this off camera. No, I didn't win cardboard. Inside here is a 1/2 gold back. I needed this like I need a third nut. But the guy was brand new. I was helping him share out his stream. We got a bunch of people in there bidding. And actually, I could have got this for $2, but I bid myself up to $4 because I didn't want to see the guy get screwed. Got a pretty rustic Standing Liberty quarter. I'll put the price I paid for it on the screen because I don't remember. Standing Liberty quarter. Oh, this is nice. We got a 1911 Barber quarter. Come on, baby, focus. All right, there we go. 1911 Barber quarter. Pretty decent shape. I mean, it's 114 years old, right? Not bad. Then we got a Netherlands dime, and I think this might have been like a giveaway or something. I don't know, because I ended up with free shipping, so I probably won the givey, and maybe that was it. I do remember this one. It's a 1965 Canadian silver dollar. It says 80%. I'll put the price on the screen. Don't remember what it was. 2 Sacagawea dollars. And believe it or not, I got these $2. I do remember this. I got these two. One's a proof and one's a regular 2000 and a 2009. Got these for $1. Half of face value. Can't beat that. Okay. And then I got a package of 10 silver dimes, rosies it looks like. So 10 rosies, and again, I'll put the price up on the screen because I don't remember. I got another video coming out shortly that I filmed yesterday. It was supposed to be part of this unboxing deal, but when I unboxed it, I was kind of disturbed by what I found in the package, and I will show you guys that. I'm not going to expose who sent it, but suffice to say, it's not cool. So keep your eyes open for that. Now, in honor of this little alien right here, if you stuck it out this long, put an alien in the comments, but don't say why you did it. Just put it ahead of your comment and leave me a little comment. And then the people will be like, why are all these aliens? Well, that's because you didn't watch long enough. All right, Average Joe out.